welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little cleaning video. First, I am starting off with the living room, and then I'll go into my room and then the kitchen. No, I did not clean my bathrooms on camera. Matter of fact, I did not clean them at all. So we're just gonna have to wait for another video for me to clean my bathrooms because I honestly forgot. And I think they were clean enough for me to hold off a little bit longer because I did just clean my house like a couple of days before this, but I had to clean really good before my honey came home because his allergies are really bad, so I had to actually deep clean before he came so he will be comfortable. And the funny part is you will notice my dog just standing there in like a whole bunch of clips because after like I recorded this, I sat down to actually edit it and like watch the whole thing. You can see her just standing there and watching me. And I think that's like the funniest thing ever because she's just standing there. She's literally just standing there watching me. So yeah, and then you'll see her laid out right now. But in every clip I'm recording, she's in. So when I say deep clean, this is what I mean. I'm moving everything out the way to get all of the hair. And I honestly don't know where my broom went. So we're using the Swiffer thing, like to mop. But it's dry, so I haven't sprayed anything. It's just that I'm gathering all the dust and hair, everything with that. And then after that, I vacuum it up to make sure everything is nice and dust free. And then I'll go in with the mop and actually use it as it should be. But I think that should be my new investment, is to get a broom because I don't know where mine went. And look at my good teeth, my baby. And then look at my other troublemaker over there. The small one, she don't know how to act. The big one, my old lady, she behaves so well. I love her so much. The little one, I love her too, but goodness gracious, she's a pain in my butt. Alright, enough of my doggies. So now you see me cleaning my couch, and basically what I'm gonna do is wash the cushion covers, and then I'm vacuuming like everything, like my couch and inside the couch, if you know what I mean. And then I'm also gonna vacuum like the pillows and everything. Yeah, it is that bad. So this was a combination of the couch and the dust bunnies that I had picked up around my living room. That is like, wow. Alright, during this whole video, you're gonna see me go like a lot of back and forth and all over the place. But right now, I was just putting my sheets in the dryer because I had put them in before I started the video. So you're gonna see me do a lot of ping ponging, if yeah, just bouncing off the walls basically. Just go with the flow with me. I tried not to do it as much since I was recording this video. I wanted to make it as simple as possible. I tried my best, y'all. That's all I can say. I tried my best. Alright, so now I am just vacuuming the little last stuff that I may see on the floor, and then I am going to start mopping. Alright, so I try to kind of clean around my baby. I don't really like cleaning or using like toxic supplies while at least they're inside the house. If y'all have any recommendation, please leave a comment down below on which cleaning solutions that I can use for non-toxic and pet friendly. And would you look at all that hair on my stairs? That's why me and my mom always try to do a deep cleaning at least once a week. Knowing how my allergies are and how my honey is with his allergies as well, it's not for the weak, especially when you have pets. So right now I'm just vacuuming my room, making sure that everything is vacuumed. I'm going to be moving my bed and moving my dog's kennel out the way. Yeah. And this is me not wanting to move that bed. Yeah. I tried to make my struggling as aesthetic as possible, guys, but couch cushions are no joke when you're trying to put the freaking coverings back on. But yeah, my couch is nice and clean now. Yay! So now what I'm spraying on my kitchen counters and everywhere in the cracks and crevices is not bleach. It is water, soap, and vinegar. We've been having like ants, so I don't know what's happening, but we're trying to keep it as clean as possible. And ever since that we've been spraying like the vinegar and stuff, I feel like there's been a difference. There hasn't been as much ants, on the counters or anything like that. It's just like one or two, and it's non-toxic to animals. It's great, right? So yeah, so I spray down the counters, I let that sit for a second, I'm cleaning my windows, and then I'm gonna come back in and wipe the counters off. I'm so glad that I got to record this video and put it together. Usually I get overwhelmed and never really finish videos like these, but actually seeing myself go through with it, edit it, and do what I do and, see myself clean my house is actually pretty cool. So I thank you guys for watching, and leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.